Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So hope everyone is well. Today I will discuss with you the top viral tags YouTube for your channel, for your gaming channel, for your uh, food video channel, something else. So let's get start. So here it is. YouTube is a great platform to show your talents and even get paid for doing it. So in this article, we are going to discuss YouTube hashtag and keywords. You will also get the best trending YouTube hashtags that will boost your video. Let's face it, being a YouTuber is hard. It drains you mentally and physically. But unfortunately, it is not as easy, and there is always a new challenge that you face. So, one of my friends was trying to improve his YouTube channel. Initially, he had only 6 subscribers. The task was to understand what is lacking, and he was quite consistent in sharing content and posting new videos. This is one of the common problems faced by many of us. Learn how to overcome this. Stop problem and increase views and followers on your channel. We did some studies and research work on the same and concluded that what not do is equally important to what to do. Okay, here is contents. Do not overthink about the tag. Okay, never use unrelated tag even once. Do not use tags that are illegal. Do not use a space in your hashtags. Do not use a space in your hashtag. Use a simple and unique personal hashtag and tag. Use tag in description, title, video itself. Using both tag can make it better. Practice using alternative tag for your YouTube channel. Keyword everywhere, Chrome extension, VDIQ Chrome extension, TubeBuddy Chrome extension, related post. Trending YouTube hashtag for gaming channel. Number 1, hashtag gamers. Number 2, hashtag Free Fire. Number 3, hashtag games. And number 4, hashtag live. Number 5, hashtag gaming. Number 6, hashtag among us. Number 7, hashtag gameplay. Number 8, hashtag game TV. Number 9, hashtag YouTube gamer. Number 10, hashtag live gaming. Number 11, hashtag gamer view. Number 12, hashtag game commentary. Number 13, hashtag live stream. Number 14, hashtag YouTube gaming. Okay. Number 15, hashtag gamer. Number 16, hashtag PS. Okay. Number 17, hashtag twist. Number 18, hashtag gaming community. Number